Hello everyone, welcome to epicartdesigns.com. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a page to a template that you bought from us and how you can duplicate that page. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys how you will know what order your booklet will be in before you even print the page so you don't have any mistakes. But before I get into telling you these tips and tricks, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and that you like this video to see more content like this. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be starting off with is adding another page to your template. We get a lot of questions on this, so I just want to show you guys. So this top right plus sign at the top of your canvas is going to say add page. You just go ahead and select that and it's going to add that page there. But now you don't have the line there, so here's the tip. You can go back to that current page, copy that line and just paste it to the next page, and it pastes directly in the same spot that it's in on the other pages. And there you have it. Now you can start adding all your design elements that you have, and everything is going to be in the center and aligned with the other pages. Also, if you want to rearrange your pages, you can go ahead and select the grid view. It's at the bottom right of your canvas. It's like 4 little icon squares. Just select that and you'll be able to rearrange your pages as you're going to see me do here. So now you're able to drag your pages into the desired spots. So I'm going to be showing you guys something a little extra in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually drag your photos in the place of where our photos at so that you won't have to make any further edits. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is just right click on your photos, go to layers and select show layers. Now you're just going to drag your photo beneath the photo that's on the template. In this case it's this one, so I'm just going to drag it under there and I'm going to delete the one that's on top, which is in this case the template photo, and just crop it to your liking. And now it's basically in the same spot that the other photo was in, and you don't have to do no major edits to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the other photo. Duplicate that, or you could choose a different photo and just same thing, drag it to the back of where their photo is and just delete our template photo. If you need help on removing the background, check out the link in the description for a free background remover, because I know Canva free version does not allow you to use their background removers. And there you have it, guys. Just copy your picture to your liking and it will look exactly like our template. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can know exactly how your booklet will be lined up before you even print it or it comes out the printer. You don't want to have any mistakes. So what you see me doing here is I have my computer and I have me a sheet of paper, have 2 sheets of paper, and I'm just going to make sure each page is lined up with what's on my canvas. So I have front and back page, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do it to match slide 2, and I'm going to keep this going until I'm finished. So now I'm just folding up the pages and I'm gonna make it a booklet, and you'll see how it's gonna line up. And there you have it, guys. Once you line all your pages up, there you will be able to see what's gonna be on each page, and you can either approve it or you can change it. So now what I'm doing, and I'm just cutting the white parts off, and this is really up to the customer if they want borderless or they just want to keep the borders on. This is what we mean. So the white parts are the border. So that's what you see me doing here. Also, I want to add that when we do have a bulk order of funeral programs, we do not cut it one by one. We usually have our big old cutter and our folder and stapler machine to do this work for us. This is just for example for you guys. So guys, you'll see me insert a clip here of how it looked on Canva versus how it looked printed, and how each page lined up perfectly and it matched the booklet that we created in the very beginning. And that's all for today's video, guys. This is how it turned out. If you would like to purchase this template, visit the link in the description. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you like this video, and I'll see you on the next video.